Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll discuss about one question: express -4 in 2's complement form. So if I'll represent 4 in a positive number, positive representation, and if I'll represent it in the 4-bit form, then it will be 0 1 0 0, correct? If I'll represent it in the 8-bit number, then it will be like 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0, correct? So this one is the positive 4 in the 4-bit number, and this one is the positive 4 in the 8-bit representation, or the word size here n, or word size is 8, so n is 8 here and n is 4 over here, correct? So now to represent in the 2's complement form, we know that we have to convert it in the 1's complement form. So if I'll convert it in the 1's complement form, it will be this 0 will be 1, this 1 will be 0, this 1 will be 0 0 will be 1 1. So this one is the 1's complement form. Now I have to add plus 1 with it, so 1 1 will be 1 0, so 0 will be here, and then carry forward 1 will be 1 1 will be 0 again, then again we'll carry forward, so 0 1 will be 1, correct, and 1 will be 1 here. So this one is nothing but the 2's complement form. So this one is nothing but the -4 in the 2's complement form, correct? So if I'll talk about in the 4-bit representation, if I'll discuss it about in 8-bit representation, then first I have to make it as a 1's complement. So if I'll make it as a 1's complement, it will be 1 1 1 1, then 0 will be 1 1 will be 0, then 1 1. So this one is the 1's in the 1's complement form, right? Then I have to make it a plus 1 with it to make a 2's complement form. So let me make a 2's complement form like this way. So 1 1 will be 1 0, so 0 will be here, then 1 1 will be 1 0, again there will be 0, and it will be 1 0 1 will be 1, then 1 will be 1 over here, and rest of the part, that means this will be in the same fashion, right? So this 4, so this number is the -4 in the 8-bit representation. So I hope now it's clear how to express -4 in 2's complement form. I have represented in both 4-bit representation and 8-bit representation. So if you have any question regarding this, you can write it in the comment section. I'll try to solve your problem as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.